Guys, dito kami ngayon, nanonood kami sa Porande. Nasa float yung apo namin. Alam mo naman, very supportive kaming grandma and grandpa. Kaya dito kami ngayon. So, ang daming tao, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan o.
Dami o, ayan o.
Ako naman, kuha naman ng picture. Yan.
Ayan yung grandma. O, ayan o.
Ito, kahit kinikinawa ko, I'm still supporting my granddaughter.
Ayan.
Yeah. Look at that. I'm so freezing bad. But still, my support is for my granddaughter.
Yes, okay.
It's an antique auto one. They won't have the sticker.
Ayan, kahit mga bata, guys. Ano tayo? Daming tao. Look. Dami sa street. Ayan o. Grabe. Guys. Ayan na, oh. Classic cars yun. Ayan yung mga classic, mga vintage na. Ganito, oh. 3100. Chevrolet 3100. Mayroon pala niyang ganyan dati. Ito naman, multi, ano yan? O, yung ganda naman. Grabe. Ito pa, oh. Oh, may nakasakay pa. Wow. Ganda ng masasakyan. Mga classic, mga vintage. Ito yung Thunderbird. Thunderbird dati. Ito rin. Wow. Thunderbird din. Ito naman, ito. Ganda. Oh. Gaganda na yan. Grabe. Gaganda. Ayan o. Volkswagen. Ganda pa rin. Ito yung Bronco dati. Ayan. Yan guys, yung mga vintage car. Ganda naman sa sakyan mo. Ganda yan. Wow.
Hey, unicorn, come here. Ori.
Classic cars yun.
What's up, bud?
Malamig lang.
Yeah, we're gonna take a break.
Ito gayo, mga German School of Arts and Sciences.
Oh, they have a puppy too.
Mga German ito. Ayan o. Dami ito. Mga German School. Ayan, ayan.
You got it.
Ayan, yung American Heritage. Girls. Dito si Lilian. Yan, dyan yan. American Heritage. Yan o. Yan si Jemima. Nice. apo ko. Oh my. Yan yung apo namin nakasakay oh. Sa float. Wow. Hello, Lilian. Daming tao guys, grabe. Daming tao talaga guys. Yan oh. Punong-puno. Punong-puno guys hanggang doon. Ayan oh.
At 11:30, it's a new start. It's a new start. It's day 2 of the Ferrandi Invitation.
Very exciting. I like it. So the fireworks are good.
They're handing out goodies. Look at that. We gotta try the orange Coca-Cola. Thank you. Got your one, Eddie. Got your one. Thank you. Go ahead and try it.
Wow! You guys get your little drinks on!
Hold on, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I haven't had it before.
Girls, trying it! Try it!
Ooh, citrusy. It is. It's like orange and. You have to double check, right? This is the 477 cider brew. You're supposed to be in first.
Green Tuttle.
Korean ba yun? Samuan
That's
yun?
Wayne from Fairbanks.
Samuan yun.
Lovely to see you. Thank you. They had a good breakfast.
Dito pinapakilala nila yung dumadaan.
Oh, another amazing sponsor.
Laki ng kabayo guys.
I know, I already forgot.
Oh, wow. Hello! Pinsa. Pa si Lola oh. Ayan.
Up next, Stephen Brown in the 1967 Pontiac GTO. Oh, that's beautiful.
No, I parked at the church.
He's got a little capacity there.
All right, his next car. Oh, 1976. I love that year. That's the year.
I know, yeah. Gummy bears? Gummy bears?
Last American pageant. Good. Feel it around.
Ayan na sila, Lilian.
They are.
Oh man, okay, go really slow because I'm gonna learn those. Slower. Okay, here we go. Miss Alaska, Jamie Lighton. And when I call your name, just raise your hand and say hello. Miss Alaska for America, Regina Welch. There you go. Miss Alaska American, Walina Rowe. Miss Ambassador, Ty Vince.
Daming tao.
Miss Fabulous Face, Sadie Yabon.
Oh, ayan oh. Si Mrs. nangunguha ng ano, ng video. Darating na yung apo namin, ayan na oh. Ito na yung sa apo namin, American Heritage Girls. Ayan na sila. Ito na yung apo namin.
The pageant is coming up
Yan,
in
oh.
April. And I'm actually
Hello!
Hello!
Ayun oh. Ayan yung anak ko. Ayan, ayun yung apo ko si Lilian. Lilian! Ayan oh. American Heritage.
Yeah, well, that's bad. Oh, wait, we gotta do that for White Fruit.
I am waiting for White Fruit's flavor sale. And here they are. Let's get some. Good to see you.
Tingnan nyo naman guys yung American truck oh. Ayan yung Ford.
Tractor dealer, there you go. Hello.
Ford F-150 pero tingnan nyo naman ha. Oh, galing. Oh. Libre daw guys yung babae sa likod na yan. Hello. Yan daw.
150 lang siya.
Yan. F-150 from Lucky. Hindi ginawa niya
Oh,
parang
here's
step
Eastern
truck.
Lutheran School. We are so lucky.
Guys kung makikita nyo oh. Grabe ang tao. Ang dami. Kahit saan. Ayan oh. Yan. Ganyan katindi pag malapit ng spring yung for Randy na tinatawag. Ayan o. Galing guys. Ayan guys o. Daming tao. Talagang medyo masaya. Naglalakad ako dito ngayon. Napakaraming tao guys. Kasi ano ngayon dito, yung parang festival, for Randy Festival. Daming tao guys oh. Medyo may kalamigan lang. Pero ang ganda, ang daming tao. So dito ako guys ngayon sa For Randy Festival. Galing. Is yung mga ano. Hello. Hindi pa tapos guys oh. Ito yung ano namin. Bus dito sa Alaska. Mura lang ang babasahin yan pag sumasakay ka dyan. Sa buong isang araw, ano lang yan, $1. Namimigay ng pagkain. Can I have one?
Of course.
Oh, thank you. Namimigay ng ano guys oh. Oh, pagkain. Ayan yung aming bus. People mover. Na ano? Yan guys, so yung mga military. Video ko, hindi ko pala na ano. Yan, Alaska Military Youth Academy. Yun yung guys, sila. Ito naman yung mga jeep na sasakyan. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. Galing, ano? Tingnan nyo, oh. Ito yung mga bata lang yan, ha? Mga bata. Ayan, oh. Oh, mga bata yan, ha? Oh. Yan. Yan, mga bata yan. Sana nga si Oli ganyan. Oh, ito. Ayang sa tubig naman to. So guys, yung Harley Davidson. Ayan yung mga ano dito. Hells Angel. Ganda ng mga sasakyan, oh. Wow.